we're nearly into 100 years as a meat family. I mean, we were farmers before that, and dairy and cheesemakers was the generation before. And I think it's just a sense of who we are as a family, and this is our heritage. And I think those things are wonderful, and it gives you a really strong sense of who you are.
Small Goods stands out from other competitors due to the fact of obviously how we source, what we do put in, our recipes, and making sure that they are perfect, consistent every time.
You know, you ask questions of the customers what they want, and if they like something, they say that, and if it's you know, they've got a suggestion, you put that in, so you'll be able to respond very quickly. But it's about making good things. It's not complicated.
Customers are an important part of our business, and they have been since we opened our first store in Central Market.
A lot of the customers came from when Mum and Dad had their shop, so you knew them already, and it just grows from there.
We're at quite an exciting phase of the business at the moment. We've built up a lot of loyalty here in South Australia over generations, and really built on the tradition that our families had.
For my brothers and I, the business has been so involved, you know, in our day-to-day lives, you know, from our childhood to where we are now.
All those things contribute to that enjoyment, that pride of who you are, and knowing, you know, your heritage and where you're going, and therefore contributing to that, and that open relationship means that they should be able to see themselves in the next generations in this business, because it's something that they can own.